Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy the journey. Um, Thank you very much for all your support, first of all. Last week, my little one asked me to prepare for her currywurst sauce for her birthday, which was yesterday. So, of course, I did it. This is a very traditional German food. This currywurst sauce is just sausages with a sauce. This sauce with curry, and also is usually with fries. But this time I did it with a German potato salad, traditional one. Which I got the recipe from a friend of mine. I'm linking you the recipe at the end of the video, which is very nice. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Check it out. Give me your feedback. Thank you. I appreciate it. So first of all, we're gonna chop the bell pepper and the onion just like that, and we're gonna blend it a little bit, or you can, if you are doing manually, you can do a brunoise from both and then saute. Yeah. Now we're gonna add the butter. We're gonna add the sugar. And we're gonna add the olive oil. Again, we're gonna saute all the ingredients. Now we're gonna add our curry powder, and we're gonna saute it as well. A little bit of heat. So now we are gonna add our canned tomato, 400 grams. We are gonna add our spices. This means paprika, veggie stock, salt and pepper. Also the tomato paste. 100-gram water. And our 100 grams ketchup. We are also going to add balsamic cream. I didn't have any balsamic cream, so I use regular balsamic and pomegranate syrup. Yeah, to add a little bit of a sweet on this kind of, yep. And then you are just gonna cook it for around 15 minutes. We're gonna blend it very well. That is very sauce, a very smooth sauce. And then we are done. We are ready to do our sausages and enjoy it. Look, after I blended it, it's just a very thick sauce. Curry taste, of course. You can add chili if you want to. I didn't add because my little one was eating it. And that's it. I hope you like it. This is a very traditional dish around Germany, the Currywurst. Here's the sauce. I hope you like it. Look. Thank you very much. If you like it, please give your like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and I hope you enjoyed the journey. Thank you.